Alpha Pro Supporto cut various keys, including automobile keys, motorcycle keys, Chinese car keys, single side keys, dimple keys, tubular keys, etc. 4-in-1 jaw which support to cutlasser and standard car keys and dimple keys. Support new Honda Smart Key. Import and export your cut history, favorites, customs key, save the keys you used and share information to others. Duplicate sided edge cut, external laser cut, tubular keys, double track external groove key, triple track external groove key. Alpha Pro engraving text or image on a key, customized personalized logo. Support to create new key profile by yourself, export data from current database, adjust space and depth to get a new key profile easily. So you can cut the keys are non-popular in global, but popular in your country. Available blade creating function, create key head, create the width and thickness of metal keys, create circle on key head, left groove, right groove, create key tip, Toyota 80K series from 40K series key, create middle groove on key side. Support to create new key profile by yourself, export data from current database, adjust space and depth to get a new key profile easily. So you can cut the keys are non-popular in global, but popular in your country. Key code search supported. Input the key code to get biting number directly. Key progression supported. It works know the unknown bidding number by the big base, so it's very help when you want to make key without knowing complete bidding numbers, especially when all keys lost. It will help you to work efficiently. What's more, input the known bidding number and the machine will automatically calculate how many key blank you need. It help you save time and cost. Decoding by photo and get bidding number via original keys picture and cut a key directly. 2 years quality warranty, free upgrade and free technical support for the life of machine.